going down, YouTube? It's your boy Trill Young Wavy, man, back with another video, and you got my boy Marcus.
Yes, sir. Finna check him out, man.
Hey, he finna drive the Essence, y'all. If y'all don't remember who he is, man, check out that video up here. That's the owner of the Cadillac CTS-V that I posted about a couple months ago, man. So we gonna see how he feeling the S right now, man.
We will be racing. Y'all stay tuned to that race too, man.
Already. Shit, let's get on with it.
This whole sounds so goddamn good, boy. I know you love that shit.
Boy, I love that shit, boy.
Then you said I already had some headers on it.
It already got headers and see, you might as well take the
he stay back here.
Oh, okay.
The reason why I was kind of like taking off of my BMW, I see you got a lot of little wheel spin like my Cadillac. Yours gotta get that power first on the road, and then you start sucking my shit in. I say, ooh.
Hey, that bitch a sleeper, bro.
Yeah, they don't know nothing about this, but this bad boy is something serious.
This something serious, bro. I'm ready to put this on the track. The seats is comfortable as fuck.
Hey, SS ain't come to play.
Man,
SS did not
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I really want to try and race a I want to race a Scat Pack, man, on the track.
Just to see what
I could do. I already found a shop. It's a popular shop that all like the LS engines go to. It's called G-Force Motorsports. It's in Pearland, so it ain't far.
What kind of tires you gonna put on here?
I'm gonna go to the dealership and get them. The same ones.
You know it's gonna cost.
I already know, like 200 something in my pile.
See, you good. My back two tires was 400 a piece. 400 a piece, bro.
Fuck that.
I paid almost 900 for them two back tires. But you see how wide my back tires is, though.
Yeah.
They like Corvette back tires, bro.
Man, look, I'm ready.
You in there now? Yeah, you in there. Fuck that other car you was talking about building on and all that. Nah.
Yeah, nah. This is definitely the one.
And you got the photos. I bet people be thinking like, oh, he ain't got nothing but his little shit.
Man, every time I roll around, bro, and I'm parked somewhere where it's getting gas or something, man, is that a Impala SS or a Mount? I'm like, nah, it's just a SS, man. So I kind of like that people really don't know about the car. Hell, even the police don't even know about the car
until you hear it. It don't take much to hear this.
It don't, boy. Man. Look, you notice you barely tap on it, and that thing on go.
Yeah, so ain't no joke. Say,
what I really need is a pedal box.
Yeah, bro, that pedal box gonna be instant torque. Instant torque, bro.
Man, I need that pedal box, but I gotta figure out that. But once I get my new tires, I'm finna go to our secret spot.
You already just doing donuts and shit in here?
But the thing about I think yours is the same way. It got that stable track. You gotta hold it for like, yeah, I didn't know that.
So you kept catching?
Yeah, it kept catching. And I'm like, what the fuck going on? So then I looked on YouTube and it said something like to turn it off.
Because you got traction and you got stability. So like
that's for like the track.
Yeah, and that's when you want your tires to spin without having no problems.
So I was just doing my research and then I just fucking hold it and shit. I was like, oh shit, it worked. So I know next time if I want to do burnouts.
Heads up display too.
Yeah. So, but I got a couple spots where you could do burnouts and donuts, won't cost nobody, so I won't be doing them at meets and shit.
Man, once you get them new tires, bro, I'll do a few burnouts, but I won't tear them up too fast.
Fuck nah, man.
You see why when I went to that car meeting, my CTS, I was like, we could do a few, bro, but I paid so much for them damn tires.
What you had, 305s?
I gotta see what I got on there. Let me see, cause I had ordered them. I put them notes in my notes.
Yeah, cause I'm gonna go by. Matter of fact, I'm about to go them to Fresh Chevrolet and get some new tires. I think dude was like, man, we gonna do about 300. I'm like, man, the last dealership told me by Tucson. What is you talking about? So the dude was like, man, we gonna run your VIN and then we can search it up. So I'm like, shit, we can go ahead and do that, man. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for Dallas, man. I'm really excited. So. But y'all seen the little glimpse. Got everything.
This hoe got that kick. That kick, boy.
I love this boy.
Say, man.
And it sounds so fucking good. Yeah. Like a lot of times, bro, I don't even listen to the radio.
For what?
I just listen.
This is the radio.
I fucking just like that exhaust, like how it sound. And a lot of people tell me, I had like 3 people that came up to me. It's like, man, is your shit Cam? I'm like, no.
Cause it sound like
it sound like it's Cam, but it's not. Which is probably going to be the next major thing I do is throw a cam on it.
Man, do a cam in the cold air intake, bro.
I already got one.
Oh, that's what I said. Did you have an intake?
Yeah, Rotofab. So, and change out the exhaust. I'll probably be good with that. 2 major things I'm probably gonna do is do E85, change my fuel system to E85, a supercharger, a Whipple supercharger, and a cam. That's probably it.
Damn, you gonna try to supercharge that bad boy?
I'm gonna supercharge it, and that's gonna push me all the way to that's gonna push me up in the 600s.
Easily.
Just off that alone.
Easily. You just gotta get it tuned the right way. I feel like they got some type of little tune on this bad boy.
They probably did.
Cause you got like an extra little kick when you switch that gear.
They probably did, man. But I ain't tripping, shoot.
You got cats on here?
Cats, I'm not sure.
Or something, bro.
I'm not sure. Loud. I ain't even looked under. To be honest, I ain't even looked under the car.
Oh, this bad boy is loud.
Cause I hate. What's so crazy is it feels so different when you in the passenger seat.
Way faster than it do in the driver's seat, huh? Tell them I'm outside.
So yeah, man. But yeah, this pretty much the end of the video, man. So it's your boy Trey Young Wavy, man. Make sure you subscribe and click them post notifications. Deuces.